If you're seeing this warning message in your Tesla, your car's electrical system is struggling to power all its features. This warning appears when the vehicle's power management system detects that electrical demand exceeds available supply. Tesla vehicles operate on a sophisticated dual-voltage electrical system. Understanding this architecture is key to diagnosing the warning. The high-voltage system, operating at 400 volts, powers the main drive motor and charging systems. This is the large battery pack you see under the car. The low-voltage system, operating at 12 volts, powers all auxiliary systems like lights, infotainment, door handles, and climate control. This system relies on a traditional 12-volt battery. The most common cause of this warning, occurring in 60 to 70% of cases, is a degraded 12-volt battery. These batteries typically last 3 to 5 years before requiring replacement. Other potential causes include a failing DC-DC converter, which converts high voltage to low voltage, excessive power draw from multiple systems running simultaneously, or wiring and connection problems. This warning is most common in vehicles that are 3 years or older or have accumulated more than 60,000 miles. It also occurs more frequently during extreme weather conditions, both hot and cold climates. When you see this warning, immediately reduce power consumption. Turn off Sentry mode, disable climate control if not essential, close unnecessary apps, and turn off heated seats or steering wheel. Tesla has been implementing software updates to better manage power consumption and provide earlier warnings. Recent updates include improved battery monitoring and automatic power redistribution features. Remember, this warning is manageable and well understood by Tesla service teams. The key is recognizing the signs early and taking immediate action to reduce power consumption until you can address the underlying cause. When your Tesla displays the electrical system warning, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and fix the problem. First, check your 12-volt battery health using Tesla's built-in service menu. Hold both steering wheel buttons plus the brake pedal simultaneously to access diagnostics. A healthy 12-volt battery should read 12.6 volts or higher when parked and 13.8 volts or higher when driving. These voltage levels indicate proper battery condition and charging system function. If voltage readings are normal, try software resets. A soft reset involves holding both steering wheel scroll wheels for 10 seconds. For a hard reset, go to Safety, select Power Off, wait 5 minutes, then press the brake pedal. If resets don't work, the 12-volt battery likely needs replacement. You can do this yourself for $200 to $400 or have it done professionally for $300 to $700. Lithium 12-volt batteries are becoming more common in newer Teslas and offer significantly longer life compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. They're more expensive initially, but provide better reliability. If a new 12-volt battery doesn't solve the problem, the issue may be with the DC-DC converter or electrical wiring. These components require professional diagnosis and repair at a Tesla service center. To prevent future electrical system warnings, keep your Tesla software updated, avoid long periods of inactivity, and consider using scheduled charging to maintain battery health. Regular driving helps keep the 12-volt battery properly charged. Remember the troubleshooting sequence. Check battery voltage first, try software resets, replace the 12-volt battery if needed, and seek professional help for persistent issues. Most electrical system warnings are resolved with a simple battery replacement.